What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, in today's video I've got a model that I just cannot wait to reveal. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, here she is, my most ambitious project yet. Yeah, it would be a Lamborghini Aventador SV. Yeah, I guess one of the most iconic features and one of my favorite features of this model would have to be these doors right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call them Lambo doors for the sake of this video. They probably have an actual name that I just am forgetting, or I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, it has these Lambo doors right here, which I think just looks really good, especially when they're in the up position. Yeah, they look really good, so just fold really smoothly, which I think is a nice feature of this model. I guess moving on, it does have one other opening feature, which is in the rear right here. And yeah, I think this is probably another one of this model's best features, as I was really surprised actually that I could fit an engine bay in one of these. I mean, I thought I was gonna have no room to really have any kind of engine details, but yeah, I fit it, and yeah, it looks really good. Engine sheets finish in this gold right here, which I think I saw a picture of one that had this kind of gold engine details, which looks really good. Yeah, so the front is definitely one of the best parts. It doesn't use actual headlights, but sort of these indentations of headlights, which I think was the only way to do it, at least in my opinion. There might be another way, but yeah, I think it came out looking really good. It's also got these custom A-pillars, which I haven't done in any of my other cars. I'm a bit actually familiar with this because I do it on my trucks. But yeah, my first car to have it, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I could use one of those stock molded windshields, because I think they made one in red, on the F8 Tributo Speed Champion set. Which looks pretty good. I could have used that. I don't know. I think that I just wanted to go with these because I knew I could get a good look with these. I guess on the rear, there are a few noticeable features, such as these exhausts right here. On the real car, they'd actually be in black, so they blend in a bit more, but I didn't really have these, so I'd use them in gray. But yeah, I think that actually looks pretty good, and they definitely pop more, which I think almost looks better in my opinion. I also did actually buy these newer Speed Champions wheels for this model, which I think just make it look much better, because I actually tried it with the old ones, but the sidewall on the tire just looks way too thick, and especially for a high performance car like a Lamborghini, yeah, these are just basically the only way to go, I feel like. And yeah, that basically sums it up for the exterior features. And yeah, with that said, I'll now explain, I guess, a little bit more about the interior of this model. Okay, so I guess I'll start with accessing the interior, which is actually pretty simple, as really all you have to do is remove this roof, which is only held on by one stud actually. And yeah, once you remove that, you now have full access to the interior. And yeah, as you can see, I think it looks pretty good. It is a bit small, unfortunately, which means you can't fit minifigs. But yeah, I was really prioritizing looks on the exterior, which I think I did pretty well, as this is probably some of my best seat designs to date. And yeah, it's also got just a nice looking center console, as well as a steering wheel, obviously, and somewhat of a dashboard. I would have wanted to add a bigger one, but that's all I could do. Alright everyone, that basically wraps it up for the overview of this vehicle. But yeah, there are still a few more things that I need to talk. First thing is, yeah, you might be noticing, but of course this video is unfortunately not a tutorial. I'm probably going to plan on not making a tutorial for this vehicle. I already have the PDF instructions almost finished for this model. Oh yeah, by the time this video releases, they might come a week later or something like that. So yeah, the PDF instructions are very close to being completed, and once they're done, I will of course put them on my website or my Rebrickable account for you guys to get. Unfortunately, the instructions won't be free for this model, but they definitely won't be that expensive, probably no more than $5. So yeah, you'll of course still be able to build this model just with getting the instructions. The reason for that is I'm sort of considering this model more like a premium model, because I spent a really long time designing this, and I feel a tutorial is just not exactly the best way to go for this model. Of course, in the future though, I'll still make models that have free tutorials, so yeah, don't worry about that. I'm also actually thinking of making this in different colors, maybe lime green or orange or something. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos on this, as I'll also probably release instructions for different colors once I make them. And yeah, so if you like this video, of course, feel free to subscribe, like this video. And yeah, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and see you in the next one.